Welcome back to Fratelli TV. Today we're making cast iron steak. It's quick, it's simple, and it's really darn delicious. First, we're going to pat the meat dry and generously coat it with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. It's important to cook the steak at room temperature, so let it sit and do not cook it cold. We want to add some canola oil, just a little bit, to our cast iron skillet and get it hot, like really frickin' hot. Once the oil is starting to smoke a little bit and you're getting nervous, then it's time to throw on our steak. It's important to lay the steak down and don't touch it. We want to get a really nice sear. After the steak is added, we also are going to add in some fresh rosemary, thyme, and cloves of fresh garlic. After 2 minutes, it's time to flip the steak and add a nice chunk of butter. Once the butter is melted, grab a spoon, gently tilt the skillet, and baste the steak. Keep an eye on the time because we only want this side to cook for 2 minutes as well. We seared this baby pretty good, but just to really ensure we're locking in all the flavor, we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil and let it sit for 10 minutes. It's still going to cook a bit on its own. If you've been enjoying the video, please hit the thumbs up like button and subscribe. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. We're going to slice this baby up and eat it. We do recommend thicker slices because the thin ones can dry out a bit. Also, after you've sliced the steak, go ahead and give it another baste. All that herbs and garlic and butter is just going to be really, really delicious. Okay, now time for a taste. Oh my God. Yeah, it's really, really good. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.